a hotbed of violent service delivery protests. Earlier this year, they demanded clean water, flushing toilets and electricity. Authorities suggested residents be moved as their shacks were built on Dolomitic land. Temporary toilets were built while the relocation is being planned. The state of these temporary toilets is fueling anger again.
Our toilets are stinking. Our toilets are not in a good condition. Our toilets are just falling.
This resident says he waited 3 months for waste to be removed.
This toilet is full and now people living here have no place to go. I don't have money and the contractor wants me to pay money to remove the sewage.
4 different companies which were awarded the 17 million rand tender in 2009 are yet to complete the job. Johannesburg Water says it will investigate complaints. Nozintombi Mia, SABC News, Thembelihle Township in Lenasia.